The Green Hills Young Artists Festival is an amazing platform for up-and-coming creatives to showcase their pieces to the world, right? So with the theme, Art Forward, art that transcends borders, we hope that through this exhibit, we can break barriers and create opportunities for our young Filipino artists to express themselves more freely, right? And for the audience to have an easier experience to interact and appreciate their works. To give a brief introduction of the exhibitors for the first ever Green Hills Young Artists Festival, let's all welcome renowned Filipino visual artist and social realist and head curator of course, our exhibit, Mr. Renato Habula.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kinangalangan ko pong ipakilala ang mga artist kasama dito sa exhibitors natin dito sa kauna-unahang Green Hills Young Artists Festival. May we have the representative of Povers and friends, Ian Kinoy. UP's Upscale, Robert Valencia. Representative from Tribe Art, Christopher Brasileños. Christopher, kita ko siya kanina rin. Wala si Christopher. Representative from Tambayan Art Space, Tom Dakiwag. Representative of Odang Putik Art Space, Ayana Engaño. Representative from Lunduyan, Christopher Fernandez. Representative from Bridges, Jed Alarga. And representative from Balayon, Ben Albino. Panimalay, representative Tyron Espinosa. Kita ko sa kanyang Tyron. May I also invite Mayumi of Agos Studio on the stage to give a short message.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. It's an incredible honor to stand before you today as we open the Green Hills Young Artists Festival. As a project manager of Art Forward in Agos Studio, this festival holds a personal significance for me. When we conceptualized this project, the vision was clear: to create a space that not only showcases art, but also fosters dialogue, collaboration, and accessibility. Art is not meant to exist in isolation. It thrives in conversation with its audience, in shared experiences, and in the connections it forges between them. This is why each feature of this festival is intentionally thought of. Like the community canvas, it is a space where audiences can engage directly with a creative process. The conscious decision to invite artists, collectives, young and emerging artists locally, and most especially many of them come from Iloilo and Pangasinan. At this point, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank the artist representatives who have supported this vision. Ben Albino and Ann Lacaba of Pangasinan, Orland Espinosa of Iloilo, Robert Valencia of Ipitilman, Christopher Fernandez of Lunduyan, Jessa Balag from the exhibit of Bridges, Jobert and Kira Oigongko from the exhibit of Full Circle, Ian Inoy of Fuber and Friends, Iana Engaño and Lynn Bahala of Odang Putik Art Space. Thomas Datiwag of Tambayan Art Space, and Christopher Brasileño of Tribe Art Projects. Each of these collectives and artists play a crucial role in shaping the future of Philippine art. Their work challenges boundaries, tells compelling narratives, and enriches our artistic landscape. Our mission is simple but powerful. However challenging it may be, and no matter how big or small our impact is, it is to democratize art, to break down barriers, challenge exclusivity, and bring art closer to people. Green Hills Mall, a space bustling with diverse audiences, from casual mall goers to art enthusiasts. This becomes the perfect setting for this vision. I would like to thank the team behind Green Hills Mall for providing this platform and believing in the vision of making art more accessible to all. Your support has been instrumental in bringing this festival to life. From Ortigas Malls, we would like to thank Ms. Marites Ortigas, Ms. Cathy Dueñas, Ms. Monique Castañeda, Ms. Sheila Perez, and to Sir Justin Santos and Robert Rodriguez of Lunar Saints for realizing this mission. I'd also like to extend my deepest gratitude to my organizing team, the incredible people working behind the scenes to make this festival a reality. Bianca Habulan and Yala Bautista for social media, and Marty Santos for her unwavering support in every aspect of this festival. Together with artists, cultural workers, organizing team, the management, we are taking art beyond the traditional platforms and into spaces where it can be encountered by all. To the artists, this is your space. Your art deserves to be seen, to be experienced, and to be part of a larger cultural conversation. To our partners, supporters, and audiences, thank you for being part of this movement. Your presence today is a step toward a more inclusive, thriving, and dynamic art ecosystem. Let's move art forward together. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang space.
Pasensya na po kayo sa lolo ninyo, ha? Tulad ng apelido ko, may ihahabol po ako. Gusto ko pong tawagin sa stage yung full circle. Bunch yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina from Iloilo. Ang kanilang mentor, si Marge Chavez. Please come up to the stage, Marge. And another mentor is Kat. Please, Kat Malasarte. At ang kanilang protege, ang mentee, si Kyra Oigonco. Please come up to the stage. Maraming pong salamat.
Alright, so let's just have a quick photo op session here at our stage.
Yung mga cellphone.
Give your biggest smiles.
Look here, the camera. Little one, smile. One more.
Picture mo na.
Let's compress a bit. Ayan.
Sorry, picture ako na lang dyan.
Hindi pwede rito mag-picture. One more.
Okay.
Look here.
Alright, smile and wave. Thank you so much, Mr. Renato Hablan and Miss Mayumi, and to all our participating artists for coming together and bringing to life the Green Hills Young Artist Festival. It is such a wonderful gift to the art community and the patrons of GH Mall to be able to see your works for free. You know, what a treat, right? So, that's right, the Green Hills Young Artist Festival is free for everyone. And so we are inviting you all to visit our exhibit starting today, Feb 12 until the 26th. Aside from looking at these beautiful artworks, we will also be hosting several fun and exciting workshops. And to learn more about our upcoming events, make sure to visit our Facebook and Instagram pages at GH Young Artists Festival. So don't forget to tag us and use the hashtag hashtag GH Young Artist Festival when you share your experiences from today's festivities online. Alright, so now it is time for the main event. To formally open Green Hills Young Artists Festival, may I please call on our distinguished guests to join us for our ceremonial brush stroke here at the community mural. Ito po, dito. Alright. So, may I call on from Ortigas Land, Mr. Davey Zuniga, the Chief Financial Officer. And of course,
Nakalive ka?
so of course from San Juan City, our Vice Mayor Angela Akawili.
And then sabay-sabay mo tayo to give whatever stroke our heart feels to give. Dito po muna for our VIPs, we will be having the first ceremonial brush stroke from their hands dito po sa ating
Nakalive ko.
Let's give them a moment to just get their brushes.
Kasi malaki yata.
Hindi yata well.
Pag malaki, hindi gagawin.
Opo. So you have to guide that.
Okay. Any ano po?
Actually, this is natin mural. You can make a graffiti, you can make or you can make an image. Nag-explanation.
Alright, preparing later on, we will have a countdown. Sabay-sabay po ang ating VIPs. We'll give each of their strokes to our community.
Wala po, sorry.
Right, prepare po tayo.
Before we start, picture yan. Okay. Tingnan naman natin yung before and after. Guys, sorry.
Okay, let's have their photo up first.
Sorry, wait na po.
Before we start the ceremony.
Naka-live po tayo.
Here at
Naka-live. Okay, can you see guys? Okay. Meron bang ano?
Muna sa ating campus before we start. So, pick a position.
You can do
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
alright, wow, so creative. You can see it from here's the stage. They're having their first-hand ceremonial brush stroke. Our VIPs, everybody.
Pwede mo nagsulat ng ano, di ba? Opo, pwede po. Sulat. Sulat po.
And indeed, art has no limit. Now, may we invite our VIPs to go naman to the other side.
Yes, you guys look here when doing painting. One shot lang po. Habang nag-tingin na kayo sa camera ko.
You can see pigs here, yellows, may blue, may red. Art has no limit. We can see the creativity of our VIPs. And now, may we invite them to the other side.
Isang puso na malinis na po.
Let's have the photo up. Photo up first. Whatever you want and painted on. For the left wing pa lang yan, and you can already see the creativity here. The freedom.
Sir, dito po tingin. Yan, okay.
They're having a photo op here for their first masterpiece. Yes, I already nandang.
Magaling sa Vice Mayor nito.
Again, to our Vice Mayor and Miss Cathy Duenas, Miss Monique, Mr. Renato, Miss Mayumi, Miss Marinas as well. With their impressions.
Sa akin naka-live kanina po.
for the next round.
Nagsalita po si Ban.
Of course, photographers.
Kaya sa akin, ang black po. Anak ng readings. Nakahide pa rin.
Photographers and then later, when we start, just place your paintbrushes on the canvas and we will have the countdown before you do a stroke.
Touch nyo po yung paint. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Touch nyo po yung canvas, guys. Touch yung canvas. Look here. Look here, all look here.
Nahuli nakakuha pa ako.
Si Iman po, hindi po
Nakalive kasi sa akin.
Ready.
Pagod na ako.
3, 2, 1, smile.
Alright. White smiles, everybody. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Freedom. Painting art right now. Right before your eyes, everybody.
Ang kaya mo rin yan, Manila. Guhit-guhit lang.
Ayan, San Juan na. Bride of San Juan. We are seeing a lot here from our VIPs. The creativity that they're giving to us. And of course, the one and only Mr. Renato. Okay, so to our distinguished guests, may I please invite you on stage as we do a series of photo op with our participating exhibitors. Starting with our VIPs, please.
And 3, 2, 1, smile. One more, wait lang. Pagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapag Okay na. I'm ready. Look here, everyone. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Ay, one more po for the video lang.
Alright, one more. One more for the video.
Saba ko nung naka-okay. Saba ko niyan, Bobby.
And one way for the video, please.
Okay, everyone, look here. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay.
Alright, thank you so much to our VIPs. And Odang Putik Art Space, Tombayan Art Space as well, and Thrive Art Projects on stage, please. Dunduyan, Bridges, and Full Circle. And of course, the VIPs of Pooh Bear and Friends and Odang Putik Art Space. We also have, of course, Tombayan Art Space and Thrive Art Projects with us. And may we call on stage as well, Mr. Lemuel Blanc.
Hindi ba mag-15 dito pa na para
Sige, video muna.
kung recorded pwede.
Wait lang, ready,
Sa akin na nakita mo may nag daw. Ito hindi. Wala ako maano. Ito na, nakatapos. Tingnan mo naman saan? Ilang? O dinig ka? Ha?